Good morning students. I am your maths teacher and this is the first video for this second week for the standard 7th mathematics for the chapter number 1, and in this video I am going to explain you multiplication of integers, and then after that some word problems based on this multiplication of integers involving some special rules, and then some true false questions based on the properties of multiplication, especially multiplicative inverse property, multiplicative identity property of 0 based on this. So all of you try to understand from here. Yes students, as you can see I have said standard 7th mathematics chapter integers, and I have said about important results. So first important result is this only, that product of n negative integers is negative if n is an odd number. Means what? Product of odd number of negative integers is negative always. As you can see this example, -2 into -4 into -6. So how many numbers I have multiplied? Negative numbers 1, 2 and 3, and 3 is an odd number, so their product is negative only, -48. What? Its value will come, whatever it will come, that is different thing, but sign will be negative only because we have multiplied 3 negative integers, first, second and third, and the product of positive integers is always positive only this we are seeing in the case of negative integers. Okay, here also you can see that negative integers, -1 into -3 into -2 into -5 in -4 into -5. So total 5 negative integers, and their product is coming negative only because 5 is an odd number. Number of terms is odd, therefore its product is also coming negative here. This is the reason number of negative integers in given product, in this product and this product, number of negative integers in the given product is odd, therefore their product is negative. Now this we have to see that product of n negative integers is positive if n is an even number. Means the product of even number of negative integers is always positive. You can see this example, -3 into -2 equals to 6, which is positive. Only two numbers we are multiplying, 1 and 2, so its product is positive. -7 into -2 into -3 into -5, so 4 numbers multiplied, so the product is 210, which is also positive. Same way, -2 into -3 into -4 into -5, this product is also coming positive because total 4 numbers multiplied, 4 negative numbers, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 4 is an even number. This question number D, -2 into -2 into -2, how many times? 6 times. All the negative numbers multiplied 6 times, and 6 is an even number, so product is coming positive here. This is only the rule, that number of negative integers in the given product, these products, number of negative integers in the given product is even, therefore their product is positive. Okay. Yes, now we can see this question, that what will be the sign of the product if we multiply 17 negative integers and 9 negative integers. So since 70 is an even number and therefore their product will be positive, product of 70 negative integers equals to positive, and 9 is an odd number, therefore product of 9 negative integers equals to negative only because product of odd number of negative integers is negative, and hence we can conclude it like product of 17 negative integers into product of 9 negative integers equals to, this gives the result positive here. 70 negative integers is positive and 9 negative integer is negative here, so positive into negative, the result is negative here. Okay, so this way we can solve such questions. Yes, now we will see some simplification question. You can see here -7 into 3 plus -4 into 5. So first, according to the Bodmas rule of Bodmas, This is giving priority. First multiply, then addition, then after that subtraction only. So first multiply here, minus 7 into 3 is minus 21, then minus 4 into 5 is minus 20, including sign multiplication. Then this again plus into minus, here minus 21 and minus 20 equals to minus 41. These two sign will also multiply, this plus and this minus. Now in the second number question, two methods we will use here. Minus 16 into 3 plus minus 16 into 5. So minus 16 taken common outside and the remaining things are in the bracket. 1 before, 3 before the plus and 5 after the plus. Okay, as it is given here. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So say minus 16 into 8 is minus 128. Next, the second method of this question only, that minus without taking common. In this method actually using the distributive property, at minus 16 taken common, then it is actually distributive property only. The minus 16 taken common, so minus 16 into 3 is minus 48 and this minus 16 into 5 is minus 80. And then both the numbers add, this plus into minus is minus 80, then again minus 48 and minus 80 is minus 128. So some Phillips question based on the properties of integers. Minus 9 into what? Minus 1 only, it will be minus 1 here. Then that is the fill in the blanks. Now minus 19 into which number? The product will be minus 19. It is using the multiplicative identity property. That one is known as the multiplicative identity of any integer. So here 1 will be there because by multiplying with 1, the product is the number itself only. Minus 19 into 1 is minus 19, 15 into 1 is 15, same way. Now this third number question using the commutative property of multiplication. That means you can change the order of multiplication of integers, then also the product will be same. 7 into minus 4 is equals to minus 4 into 7, that is minus 28 only. So here will be also 7. That 7 into minus 4 is minus 28, 4 into minus 4 into 7 is also minus 28. Fourth number question using associative property of multiplication using the different grouping of integers with the help of bracket. Here minus 4 and 2 is in group, here 2 and 8 minus 8 is in group. So according to the missing value, here should be minus 4 only because minus 4 is here, 2 and minus 8 is available. Only minus 4 is not there, so here minus 4 will be there, and it is, you know that already, that multiplication of integers is following the associative property, so here will be minus 4. Next we will see some true false questions. Okay, that you see that some true false questions given here. State true and false question in these questions. Every integer when multiplied with minus 1 gives its multiplicative inverse. That is false only, because by multiplying with minus 1 you get additive inverse, not the multiplicative inverse. For example, you can see that minus 9 into minus 1, minus 9 into minus 1 is equals to 9, and 9 is not the multiplicative inverse, it is additive inverse, and their sum is 0. Minus 9 plus 9 is equals to 0. Okay. For multiplicative inverse means reciprocal, means you have to interchange the numerator and denominator. 3 by 2 multiplicative inverse is 2 by 3 only. So this way you can, it is the multiplicative inverse 2 by 3. Now you will see the multiplication of integers is commutative. Yes, true, it is. Order we are changing, then also product is same. Every non-zero integers has the multiplicative inverse as an integer. That is false, because for example multiplicative inverse of 3 means 3 by 1 is 1 by 3. Multiplicative inverse means reciprocal of 3 by 1 is 1 by 3, and 1 by 3 is not an integer, and here given every non-zero integer has a multiplicative inverse as an integer. That is false only. So now one more true and false question, that multiplication of integers is associative. It is true only. You can see this example, numbers written 357 on the left side, RHS side also 357, but both side numbers are given with different grouping. Here 5 and 7 in bracket, and this side LHS side 3 and 5 in bracket, but the product is coming 105. Okay, so it is associative also, multiplication of integers. Now in a class test containing 10 questions, it is a word problem containing 10 questions. 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer, and -2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer, and 0 for the questions not attempted, which you have not attempted, for that 0. If it is incorrect answer, then -2, correct then 5 marks. So for Mohan got 6 correct and 4 incorrect answer. Find his total score. Question number 1. So 1 correct means 5 marks, then 6 correct means 6 into 5 30 by the property of unitary method. Using the rules of unitary method, that marks of 6 correct answer is 6 into 5 30, and the marks for 4 incorrect answer, here given marks of 1 incorrect answer is -2, so marks for 4 incorrect answer equals to 4 into -2 is -8. Okay, so total score equals to, Mohan's total score is 30 plus -8. Now again this plus and minus will multiply here, minus, and 30 and -8 equals to 22. Okay, one more question based on this. That's as Sohan gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers. 2 correct and 5 incorrect answer. What is his total score? Again, marks for 1 correct answer is 5. Then marks for 2 correct answer will be 2 into 5, 10. That will be 10. And marks for 1 incorrect answer is -2. Then the marks for 5 incorrect answer is 5 into -2, unitary method, that is -10. So now Sohan's total score is 10 plus -10. 10 marks by correct answer, -10 marks by incorrect answer. So 10 plus -10 is 10, -10 is 0. So his total score is 0. So this way now you can complete exercise 1B of R.S. Agrawal, chapter number 1, integers. Okay students, thank you.